The Flair 58+2 is the flagship espresso machine from Flair Espresso. Designed to provide a premium brewing experience, it offers a 58mm portafilter and a preheat control system to enhance your workflow to get the best out of your espresso. This tutorial will cover what's included in the box, setup, key features, cleaning, and your first brew. First, let's take a look at what's in the box. A post and lever assembly, a Flair 58+2 base with preheat controls, a 58mm portafilter with a wooden handle, a pressurized basket, a low-dose basket, a high-dose basket, a dispersion screen, a pressure gauge, a magnetic articulating shot mirror, a drip tray, a tamper, a wire guide, a power supply, base bolts, and an Allen key wrench. The Flair 58+2 needs minimal setup before your first brew. To start, insert the wire guide into the designated slot in the mounting point of the base. Orient the bottom of the lever assembly over the top of the wire guide. Insert the bolts and thread them in by hand. Then use the Allen key wrench to tighten them. Ensuring your lever is aligned with the Flair 58+2 logo. Next, thread the preheat cable through the wire guide and plug it into the open terminal on the rear of the cylinder. Thread the gauge into the open mounting point on the stem by turning clockwise, ensure it is snug, then orient upwards for best viewing. Plug in the power cord on the rear right side of the base. There is a built-in magnet on the lower left side of the post to attach the shot mirror. Here are a few key features on the Flair 58+2. Nested in the base of the Flair 58+2 is a preheat control system for the cylinder with 3 levels of preheating, 85, 90, and 95 degrees Celsius, which roughly corresponds to the brew temperature for dark, medium, and light roasted coffee. Press and hold to turn on the preheat system. Press once to change the preheat level. Press and hold again to turn off. The Flair 58+2 comes with 3 basket options. A pressurized basket, which is nested in the portafilter to brew with pre-ground coffee. We recommend 12 grams. A low-dose basket for smaller shots. We recommend 15 grams. And a high-dose basket for larger shots. We recommend 18 grams. Both of these baskets require an espresso-capable burr grinder. The Flair 58+2 features an all-stainless steel brew path. This means that at no point during the brewing process does your coffee come into contact with plastic, keeping your brew as clean as possible from kettle to cup. Now, for your first brew. Brewing with the pressurized basket is the easiest way to brew your first espresso because you don't need an espresso-capable burr grinder. Ensure you've turned on your preheat control system. You will hear a beep when it has reached the desired temperature. Start by measuring 12 grams of pre-ground coffee and empty them into the portafilter. Settle the grounds by either tapping the portafilter on a flat surface or by tapping the bottom of the portafilter with your hands. Next, use the tamper to compress the grounds into the portafilter, pressing firmly on a flat surface. Then add the dispersion screen, and with the lever lowered, attach the portafilter by aligning the handle to the right of the lever, raise up into the brew base, and turn counterclockwise to the 4 o'clock position to lock into place. Fill the cylinder with boiled water, raise the lever to draw the water into the cylinder, then lower the lever to force the water through the coffee. While watching the gauge, aim for the espresso zone. Your extraction should take roughly 15 to 20 seconds. Brewing with the low and high dose baskets. For a good extraction, both of these baskets require an espresso-capable burr grinder. We recommend starting with 15 grams of coffee with the low-dose basket and 18 grams of coffee with the high-dose basket. All other brewing steps are the same. Your extraction should take roughly 25 seconds in the espresso zone on the gauge. Cleanup on the Flair 58+2 is easy, as no descaling is needed. When finished brewing, simply unlock the portafilter, knock out the grounds, and rinse the portafilter with cool water. Set aside to dry, no soap is needed. Thank you for learning about brewing with the Flair 58+2. This espresso machine was designed to provide the purest in manual brewing. If you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to our customer support team using the QR code in the instruction manual.